Hi, Dave.
What do you want, Alvin?
Dave, can I use a toy gun on you? Ah!
Sure, but don't kill me. I know it's just a toy, Alvin.
Alright, Dave, here it is.
Ow! Alvin!
Oh no, I'm in trouble.
Whoa. Alvin, how dare you hit me with the toy gun? Why did you do that, Alvin?
Because I want to have fun, Dave. Can't you forgive me?
At least I could forgive you for once, but no, Alvin. So you're grounded for 1,000 weeks. Go to your room now.
Fine, Dave. I'll get him up and Ah! Thank you guys for watching for this video. It was a little bit easy to make Alvin's toy gun too. So it's going on internet. So thank you for watching.